This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to get InVideo free plan. So how do you get the free plan of InVideo? I'm right here on, well, this is the main InVideo site here. You see it's pretty cool, it's pretty well designed. So first things first, I do have an affiliate link in the video description just below this video. If you click that link, there'll be some kind of offer and some kind of benefits on, depending on what InVideo are offering. They change it all the time, so I'm not going to say what it actually is. If you click that link, there'll be some kind of benefits and credits for you right there if you choose to stick around with InVideo. But as far as the free plan goes, it's very simple. Once you click that link, you'll see this button here, start creating. They have a sign up link at the top as well. You just hit start creating, and just like that, you can create your account. So you can sign in with Google, with your Google account, or with Apple, with your Apple account right here. You log in if you already happen to have an account, or you could go old school and just create an account with an email the way we always used to. So there you go. That is the free plan, how to get the free plan on InVideo. You can check out the pricing at the top here as well. But the point is, you can stick around on the free plan. There are watermarks and stuff involved, so it's not perfect, but you could use a free plan forever. That's cool. Or you could upgrade to one of the paid plans, but you don't have to. It's all good. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.